Welcome back, 605 drivers. In this module, we will be covering how to generate a 45-day permit through a dealer services account. A 45-day permit, also referred to as a seller's permit or temporary permit, is generated by owners to give to a new buyer until they register their new vehicle. Dealerships will be able to apply and generate these permits through their dealer services account, which will be tracked internally on 605 Drive. Let's get started. Here we are with our dealer, Danny's Dealership, and we're already logged in and ready to go. In the Used Vehicle Dealer panel, click the Generate 45-Day Permit hyperlink. Now we are in the transaction to create a seller's permit. Let's click the Start button on the Vehicle Information section. First, we'll need to enter the VIN for the vehicle Danny's Dealers recently sold. In the VIN field, enter 1 HGC P2 F34 BA 156076. The search results have pulled back the year, make, and model of the vehicle associated to this VIN. Now we can confirm the vehicle we're generating the 45-day permit is a 2011 Honda Accord. Let's go ahead and click the next button. Then click the Start button for the Seller Information section. Under the Seller Information section, 605 Drive has already pulled up the dealership information for Danny's Dealers and pre-populated all the details for us. All that's left for us to do is enter the sale and buyer information. Under the sale information, we can select whether the vehicle has already been sold or not. It is currently defaulted to no, which will not require us to enter the sale or purchaser information if we are generating this permit in advance. However, this vehicle was sold today, so we'll select yes to whether the vehicle has already been sold. And now the sale and purchaser information are required. In the date of sale field, we'll click the calendar icon, then click the Today button to enter today's date. In the selling price field, we'll enter $8,905 and move on to the purchaser details. First, we'll need to select whether the buyer of the vehicle is an individual. Selecting no will allow dealers to enter an organization name and address information. Today, we'll leave it selected as yes. From the ID type dropdown, select Social Security number. Then, in the ID field, enter 112556188, and we'll manually enter the customer's information. In the first name field, enter Anya, and last name Lewis. Then for the address field, enter the street as 1615 East Dakota Avenue. And the city is Pierre. Then click the Verify Purchaser's Address button. We'll select the first address option and click the Save button. Then click the Next button. That's all we needed to enter, so we'll go ahead and click the Submit button. And now, not only have we reported the vehicle sale, but we've also generated a permit that can be printed and given to our new buyer. To print the permit, we can click the Download/Print Seller's Permit hyperlink, and a new tab will populate. Click the OK button to dismiss this screen and return to the home page. We're back on our transactions.